Job seekers are invited to the March to Work Job Fair on March 27th at the Crown Expo Center. Robert Relyea of the Department of Social Services tells us about the event, which is sponsored by DSS and various community partners.
Back in 1999, our governor decided that all the counties in North Carolina should host a job fair through the Department of Social Services. We did this, and the job fair was extremely successful for us and for our customers. So we decided to continue with this event. So this is about our 15th time doing the March to Work Job Fair. It is a great time of the year to do an event like this because employers are coming off of hopefully a strong Christmas sales season. They're looking to re-gear, hire new people. We're hoping to have at least 100 employers this year. I'm going to have space for 116. We are looking to fill up all the tables for this with a vast variety of employers. Throughout the years, this event has attracted literally thousands of people. We used to do this event at the Department of Social Services, and we normally have several thousand people come. Once we've moved to the Expo Center here in Fayetteville, we've attracted as many as 4,700 job seekers for this. Events like this are great for people looking for work, or if you're looking for advancement in your career or looking for new employment. You have the opportunity to talk to many employers at one time, at one place. So it's a cheap way to network with a bunch of employers to find out what's available in the community. This year, as always, we're looking to have a large number of different types of employers. People who are skilled in many different areas are going to find what they need, we think. We'll have jobs just in general business and professional categories, reception, clerical type jobs. We'll be having some hotels with us, as well as food service. So people who are in food service management will find plenty of opportunity. We have a good array of sales positions, from automobiles to selling cable or telephones or things like that. Healthcare this year seems big. Healthcare is a growing field. People who are looking for work or looking for a change in employment should consider things in healthcare, it looks like. Events like this are extremely hard to do. In order to do them and do them well, you do have to have a group of folks working with you to make the events happen. We've got great sponsors. These sponsors have been with us for years. We have Beasley Broadcast Group, Fayetteville Technical Community College, Community Development with the City of Fayetteville works with us, as well as Bodie and Noel Enterprises. Fayetteville Public Works also is a sponsor with us. And our newest sponsor is the Cumberland County Public Library. When attending a job fair, job seekers need to realize that, number one, as we've already said, there's going to be a vast number of employers there to talk to. One good thing to do is to have a short little 30-second spiel about yourself where you can quickly tell an employer in a concise way what some of your skills are, what some of your desires in the work field are, and how you can benefit that employer. Employers are going to be talking to a lot of people at this event. There'll be a line behind you, so you can't take up the employer's time. They want to speak with you quickly, hear what you've got to say, take a resume, so bring plenty of resumes. And as I said, be concise so that the employer can get a quick idea of what you can do for them. On job fairs, as well as any kind of employment interview, you need to make sure that you're dressed well. You're going to come in, you're trying to make an impression to this employer. Hopefully it's going to be a good impression. As we all know, that first impression is everlasting. It's hard to change it once you've made it. So dress well. Offer that employer a good handshake. In fact, you probably want to practice shaking hands with friends. You want to make sure it's firm. You don't want to give them what I would call a limp fish. But practice with a good, firm handshake. B&W Transportation will be doing shuttle services for us to the job fair again this year. They'll be running 3 or 4 vans that'll go from the Department of Social Services to the Job Link Center on Ray Avenue and then out to the Cumberland Expo Center. Transportation back into Fayetteville will be available from the Expo Center, and they'll be running the transportation from 8 o'clock in the morning, and the last van will leave the Expo Center at 3 p.m. People who are looking for work sometimes need a little bit of help. There's plenty of places in Fayetteville where assistance can be found. I'm with the Work First program. People can come down and apply for our services. I can assist them with different things in their job search. We also have a lab at the agency that's run by Fayetteville Technical Community College. They have 2 instructors up there that can help people with resumes and interviewing skills and things like that. Around town, one great source that I always try to refer people to is our Cumberland County Public Library. All of our branches in Cumberland County have librarians that are assigned to work in their job search labs. There's computers available, there's printers available. People can get assistance quickly with their resumes and interviewing tips. Also leading up to the job fair, we'll have events at social services. They'll be conducted by the Fayetteville Tech HRD Center, which is Human Resource Development Center. They'll be doing training programs in our agency several days on similar topics like job search, interviewing skills, resume building. Our March to Work job fairs will be at the Crown Expo Center on Thursday, March the 27th. The Expo Center is located at 1960 Coliseum Drive here in Fayetteville. The event will take place from 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. on Thursday, the 27th of March. More information can be found on the DSS website, which is www.ccdssnc.com, or you can simply call me. My name again is Robert Relyea, and you can reach me at 677-2222, directly at my office.